Hi friends, in this video we learn about modulation index of AM and we solve one gate problem from modulation index of AM. Right, so we know in general how can we express modulated wave, AM modulated wave. So AM modulated wave I write as AM of t is equal to AC into 1 plus KA, I write properly, 1 plus KA M of t into cos omega ct. So this is what the general form of AM modulated wave, right? So here KA is amplitude sensitivity. Fine. So K is amplitude sensitivity. If M of t is message signal, M of t is message signal, that is AM cos omega mt means what will happen? The equation becomes like this. So AM of t is equal to AC 1 plus KA AM cos omega mt into cos omega ct. This product KAAM. So KAAM is called modulation index. Modulation index of AM. Fine. So I can write modulation index of AM as mu is equal to KAAM. So this is what modulation index of AM. So what does it mean? It is a measure of, I can say it is a measure of amplitude variation of a modulator signal about an unmodulated carrier. How the amplitude of a modulated wave varies with respect to unmodulated carrier amplitude. That is known as what you call modulation index of AM wave. Okay, so we have one more formula for modulation index of AM, that is given by mu is equal to Vm by Vc. Vm is nothing but amplitude of message, Vc is amplitude of carrier. Right, so we can use this formula also whenever we need. Okay, mu is equal to Ka into AM is AM general format. So this format is very important. So based on this, they are asking so many questions in GATE exam and other exams. Let us see the thing. So the question is, what's the question? Suppose that and the modulating signal M of t is 2 cos 2 pi fmt and the carrier is xc of t is a cos 2 pi fct. Which one of the following is a conventional AM without over modulation? So we have to know what is over modulation and under modulation and all. So if mu is greater than 1, it is called over modulation. That is modulation index is greater than 1, it is called over modulation. It is modulation index mu. So if modulation index is equal to 1, it is called critical modulation. If it is less than 1, it is called under modulation. Right? So over modulated signal, from over modulated signal we cannot recover message. Please understand. Here we can recover message, but circuit is complex. Critical modulation. Here message can be recovered easily. Message can be easily recovered. So we always prefer under modulation in amplitude modulation. Okay, now the question is, they are given message signal and carrier signal and they ask what is which among four express AM wave without over modulation. Okay, so first we write what is our AM wave equation. AM of t, I write AM of t is equal to AC into 1 plus Ka M of t into cos omega ct. So this I write as AC cos omega ct plus okay, next one, what I have to write. So AC cos omega ct, if I multiply this, then it will become AC Ka m of t cos omega ct. This is what my AM wave, right? General form. So I compare all the four options with this, then I decide. So they are talking about conventional AM. So conventional AM should be having any of these two forms. So first option you see, it is message and carrier multiplied. Here is m of t into AC cos omega ct. AC is nothing but, please understand, it is A subscript C. So AC cos omega, message and carrier are multiplied means it is DSBSC signal. So it is not at all AM. So this option is wrong. You see, this is a message and carrier, message and carrier. This is not at all in this AM format. So this is also not a conventional AM. So out of these three, these two are only conventional AM. Now we have this equation. What is that? X of t is, I write that. Option B, X of t is AC cos 2 pi fct or omega ct plus AC m of t cos 2 pi fct, right? So what about m of t? M of t is 2 cos, this is what they have given m of t. M of t is 2 cos 2 pi fmt, so I change it. So m of t I write again. So this is AC cos 2 pi fct plus AC 2 cos AC, this is whatever they are given, AC, okay, this is AC, m of t is 2 cos 2 pi fmt, 2 cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. So now you compare, this is AM equation 1, AM equation 2. So this is our third option. You compare this equation 3 with equation 1. So what is my modulation index? They ask what about question over modulated signal. Over modulated signal means mu must be greater than 1. This means KAAM, that must be greater than 1. So what is KA? This is what KAAM. So you compare both the equation. What is this? Here instead AC is AC. This one cos, this message is, this is AM. So then Ka must be equal to 1 because it is 1 into 2. So Ka 2 pi FM message 2 pi fct omega carrier. So this implies from equation number 3 and 1 2, what we get is KAAM, that is equal to mu, which is equal to 2. This is right. So mu is equal to 2 means it is over modulation. Okay. So let us see the question. What is the question they are asking? Which one of the following is a conventional signal without over modulation, not over modulation? So this is over modulated signal because mu is equal to 2. So it is over modulated signal. So this is a wrong option. So what should be the right option? Option C must be a right option. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. So what is the third one? It is AC. So please note that it is AC by 4. In the question they have given it is AC by 4. So what is the third option? Third option is AC cos 2 pi fct plus AC by 4. What they have written? They have written cos 2 pi fmt plus into cos 2 pi fct. Cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. Right? So what is the thing they have written? Okay, AC sin 2 pi fmt. Right? Oh, sorry, this one AC by 4 m of t. M of t is nothing but 2 cos 2 pi fmt. So AC 2 cos 2 pi fmt. So 2 cos 2 pi fmt. So you see this will be 1 by 2. So I have 1 by 2. Compare equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 AC cos omega ct. This is the AM wave only. So left hand side okay. Here you see here AC into 1 by 2. So AC into 1 by 2. So this Ka m of t must be equal to 1 by 2. Alright. So remaining things are 2 by fct. So KAM of T is equal to what? Mu, that is 1 by 2, which is less than 1. Mu is less than 1 means it is not over modulation, it is under modulation. So what is my answer? My answer is, they are asking the signal without over modulation. C is over modulation. Sorry, B is over modulation. This is what? Under modulated signal or not over modulated signal. So option C is the right answer. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I will clarify. Thank you.